There are two other types of links that are going to be very important, and these don't get as much talk as actual backlinks do, meaning getting those links from the other sites. So I want to make sure that we highlight those here and we make sure that you're implementing this on your site. Now, the first link is actually internal links, and we have talked about building an internal linking structure. So let's look at an example here. On my services page, I'm going to go to landscaping. And when this company provides landscaping services, there's often a bundle of different types of services that they're including. So here in the first paragraph, they actually talk about that. They say that they include lawn mowing, pruning, weeding, mulching, planting, so on. So they have this full list of services. And as you know, we are actively creating these pages. Now, in the meantime, we do have other pages created. As you saw, we have the lawn mowing and leaf removal services pages already created. So when I am listing this out, I have highlighted the lawn mowing text and I have linked it to this lawn mowing services page. Same thing here with leaf removal. This is going to go to the leaf removal services page. Now, the reason that I want to include this here is one, this is helpful for SEO purposes because this is linking my pages together. It will help pass some of that ranking juice between pages. But the most important reason why to link is because it is helpful for the visitor. So if they're reading about landscaping and they realize, well, all I really need here is lawn mowing, or I just want to get these leaves off of my lawn, they'll be able to click through and be taken to that page. So it's relevant to them, it's helpful for them. This can also help reduce your bounce rate, especially if you have a blog and you have relevant posts that you think a reader will want to continue reading if they are already on one other particular article. This means that those visitors will be staying on your site longer, and the longer visitors stay on your site, the more likely that Google is going to rank your website higher because they believe that visitors see a lot of value in it. Now, the second one that we talk about, and this is something that I can implement still on this website, is outbound links. Oftentimes, we're so afraid to link to other people's websites because we don't want to send traffic elsewhere. But the purpose here is to provide as much value as we can to our visitors. So if I have a leaf removal services page and I start talking about how down here we start talking about leaves left to cover the lawn can cause the grass to be deprived of both sunlight and oxygen. Now, if I want to go into that or I want to share a study, I can go to a relevant website that has a lot of traffic and I can grab one of their posts and link it from this particular sentence. That way, I'm linking to a site that has some authority, and that will then link our sites together, and it shows Google that what is relevant on that authoritative site is relevant on this client's website as well. So that is very important reasons to include outbound links on your posts as well. I wouldn't add more than 3 in any particular post, but the longer the post that you have, the more room you have to link naturally to other resources.